Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our today's topic is oral sheet part 3. We will discuss oral sheet from 21 number question to 28 number question. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is oral sheet. This is part 3 and this is lecture number 26, and I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 23 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. Student, we have already discussed from 1 number to 20 number questions and answers. Today we will start from 21 number questions. 21 number question is, what is blood? What is blood? Answer is, blood is a liquid connective tissue. Blood is a liquid connective tissue. 22 number question is, what is meant by epithelial tissue? What is meant by epithelial tissue? The answer is the tissue that covers the exposed part of the body and remain as layers on interior walls of different cavities and canals are called epithelial tissue. I am repeating this answer. The tissue that covers the exposed part of the body and remain as layers on interior walls of different cavities and canals are called epithelial tissue. Now 23 number question. What is cell wall? The answer is, in plant cell there is a hard and thick non-living wall composed of cellulose, which is called cell wall. In plant cell there is a hard and thick non-living wall composed of cellulose, which is called cell wall. Student, in your suggestion after 23 number there is 25, but the correction is 24. It will be 24 number question. What is cell? What is cell? The answer is, structural and functional unit of the body is the cell. Structural and functional unit of the body is the cell. Now 25 number question. What is cytoplasm? What is cytoplasm? The answer is, jelly-like substances outside the nucleus is named as cytoplasm. Jelly-like substances outside the nucleus is named as cytoplasm. Now 26 number question. What is tissue? What is tissue? The answer is, a group of cells having some origin with similar or different size and shape and perform a particular function is called tissue. A group of cells having some origin with similar or different size and shape and perform a particular function is called tissue. Now 27 number question. What is acid rain? What is acid rain? Answer is, acid rain is rain or any other form of precipitation that is unusually acidic. I am repeating this answer. Acid rain is rain or any other form of precipitation that is unusually acidic. Now 28 number question, and this is the last question of your oral sheet. Why plastic is harmful for soil? The answer is, plastic doesn't mix up with soil easily. As a result, the fertility of the soil decreases. I am repeating this answer. Plastic doesn't mix up with soil easily. As a result, fertility of the soil decreases. So dear student, I have finished today's topic and our oral sheet also. We have finished total 28 questions and answers. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 23 number SW. And remember that you have to memorize these oral questions and answers, and your SW will be these oral questions from 21 to 25. Student, I am repeating this SW. This is 23 number SW, and when you will do your SW, please write down SW number and submission date on top of your SW copy, and your SW will be oral questions and answers from 21 to 25. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home, and you have to memorize these oral questions answers. So dear student, do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home, and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.